What's rolling?
Home sweet home. Welcome to the Murphy family.
MTV Cribs. Let's go.
MTV Cribs. Let's go, boys.
Oh,
Yeah, this is what's left of my room, of Ryan Murphy's room. And it wasn't very clean before, but now it's pretty certified bra moment.
Yeah, really.
Certified bro moment. Monitors?
Yes. You think that's dirt? It's soot and it's caked on there. It's not just like.
I mean,
dust,
you didn't see the
soot.
soot in the air in the video, so
Yeah.
That's crazy.
It's like can you taste it?
it tastes.
You can almost.
It's
taste
kind of
it.
like hazy.
Almost.
All right. Also, the computer.
Yeah, my
Pretty
$2,000
total.
computer that's completely messed up now.
Gone.
Music equipment has to be replaced.
Yeah, there's a check right here. Yeah, that's a check for Josh, I think.
What?
No.
Why does it check for me?
Let's see.
Hey, you can cash it in, maybe.
Oh, it is
Josh
me.
Galley, you want this check?
All right.
That was payment back.
Yeah, now
Like,
here
something
is
that
a
you bought
good-
online and had to reimburse.
There's the smoke detector that did not do
This
much
is
good.
and this is the CO2 detector up here, right on top of the thermostat.
Oh, wow.
Boop, boop.
Good,
The button's
very
still-
good.
the button's still pressed.
Oh yes.
Do I do
It's
it?
like
It turns on and starts beeping.
Here's something kind of depressing. You want to see this brand new mattress we bought literally
shoot.
2 weeks
What?
earlier? This mattress is 2 weeks old, and it's completely garbage now. There's no way you're gonna get that soot out of it. No way you're gonna get the smell out of it. Not without paying for a new one for the cleaning costs it would take.
All right, I got 5 minutes on my thing. That's 2 minutes.
Okay, you want to stop there?
I mean, you can go
We can do
downstairs, I
multiple.
guess.
Sure. We can
That's
go
the-
down real quick.
That's the beef.
Oh, let me show you the fan my parents.
Oh, yeah, the
So you got 3 minutes.
fan. Yeah, we still got some time.
Oh, it's kind of sticky.
Look at the floor in there.
It is.
Look at the fan, dude.
Oh, my gosh.
Oh yeah, I saw that
The
picture.
droopy fan.
Like, it's hard now.
Oh, my gosh.
That's like a modern art piece right here.
Wow. Honestly.
Just be careful what you touch.
Yeah.
Yeah, it could be evidence.
Yeah, don't move. Don't actually.
Don't
that.
move anything.
Don't do what I'm doing. Don't take this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But that's
That's-
in a room where it's like untouched, so I really doubt it.
Yeah.
The walls didn't used to look like this. It's kind of caked in soot.
Yeah, like you can tell something was here.
It's not there anymore.
It's not there anymore. Look at that. My dog toys are a-okay.
What?
Thor.
Hey, Thor.
Buddy.
You probably
Thor,
started this,
buddy.
but honestly, I'm not even mad. I can't be mad at Thor.
Yeah.
Like, if anything, is
The air is really bad. And yeah, used to be chandelier here. It's gone. Picture gone.
Well, the stark contrast of this whole place.
Glass.
Honestly, yes.
Boarded up so people can't go in.
Oh,
Justin, that's our trash can.
oh well, forward.
Well,
Seriously, watch your step, guys. Like, seriously.
yeah, this is like the
Wait, which window did you go out of?
it's second
Second
floor.
floor. Actually, I'll show you a picture. You guys want to look around in the kitchen? It's over there.
Yeah, okay, so we got all of this. Here's the stove that probably started it all. Here's
Maybe
the
that's the
fridge,
theory.
and it looks like a kiwi might have survived.
Hey, really?
Maybe.
Oh, dude.
Kiwi survives. Whoops.
Yeah, there used to be walls here. Used to be just, I mean, stuff, but
Yeah, table was over there. Gone. You come into here.
oh, that
This room actually isn't that
isn't
bad,
too
but
bad.
it's
I
just
mean,
soot.
it's bad,
The soot
but
is everywhere.
the
Soot
walls are pitch
is,
black.
they're just all just caked in soot. It's not like you can just like rub it off. Like you actually have to like give it a proper rub to get it off.
Jeez, dude. All right, minute left to film.
This is crazy. Yeah, let's go. Over here.
That's wet here. Oh, we got some Cheez-Its, goldfish. That chair's gone.
Oh, these chairs.
This printer
are-
is absolutely
yeah,
gone.
Printer's done. The walls are
Dunzo.
all still black.
Windows are blacked out from the
Oh
soot.
my gosh, I didn't even notice that. The
I'm actually
windows
getting
are
it on my
really-
pants.
See, TV looks fine outside of the frame, but then you realize
The frame is melting off.
It's soot. It's covered
This
in soot.
PlayStation's gone.
Everything.
Soundbar. All these books probably unreadable.
Oh yeah. At least,
Man, it's like a haunted house, dude.
I don't know.
To keep people out.
Left it,
Yeah, homeless
been up there
people.
for another maybe 30 minutes.
All right, I'm